Group yourself into three. Go! Three. Kayo tatlo. Ay, kuya. Okay, dito. Three. Dito. Wait. Dito. Three. Yan, three. Okay. Yan, kayo dalawa. Okay. Yan. Hawak-hawak kayo, ha? Hawak kayo tatlo. Yan, okay. Wait. So, practice lang muna yan, ha? Practice lang muna, ha? Wala pang out. Okay, ready? Again, kung sino yung matitira, yun ang bibigyan natin ng prizes. Okay, so are you ready? Shout first, happy birthday, Ria! 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, kayo tatlo, dito kayo sa harap. Dito kayo sa harap, yan. Yan, kayo tatlo. Okay, yung maliliit ha, tulungan nyo na lang ha, kasi yung iba medyo bata pa. Okay, ready? Now, come on, dance muna, dance first. Come on, play the music. Come on, sayaw muna kayo, sayaw. Go! Okay, ready? Group yourself into two. Go. Group yourself into two. Go. Hey, tatlo kayo, kayo dalawa. Okay, wait. Ate, saan ka? Dito ka, ate. Dito, wait. Okay, five. Come on, five. Okay, five lang. Five. Okay, five. Dito kayo, dito. Dito ka, kuya. Dito ka. Ayaw. Okay, good. Okay, wait. Ito si ate. Kunin niyo ito si ate. Okay. Ano ginagawa ko ba dyan? Okay, wait. Five. Oh. Six kayo dyan. Sino natanggalin natin? It's okay. Okay, ito na lang si ate. Sige, ate, get your consolation. Go! Okay, go! Alright, very good. Yan, para ayaw nila matanggal, no? Okay, masasayaw. Yan. Ready, group yourself into four! Go! Four! Into four. Okay, four lang. Okay, come on, dance. Okay, ready? Play the music, kuya. Okay, come on, dance. Again, ako sino yung matitira, yun ang mananalo. Ready? Group yourself into six. Go, six. It's okay, ate. Dito ka, ate. Okay, dito ka, ate. Okay, so bibilangin natin muna. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero kung sabi ko, kung sino yung isang mananalo, yun yung winner. Alright, so everybody clap your hands for ate. Ate, get some. Yan. For the winners, meron tumbler. For the non-winners, don't worry. You still get a consolation prize. Come on, get your prizes. Thank you so much. Okay, good. Kasi sabi ko, isa lang yung winner eh. Okay, good. Come on, get your prizes. Okay, good. Ano pa isa kay kuya? Okay, thank you so much. Now, keep your prizes. Again, that's a warm-up game. Okay, now let's play another game. Okay, Tagalog song. Latest Tagalog song. Play the music. Tagalog, latest. Lolos and Lolas, be ready. Title, sir. Darawang ko boss, get another prize. Yes, sir. Marami ba yung sa music dito, ha? Hey, stop! This is a children's party. Bakit yung tugtog ko? Children's party, Darawang ko boss. Okay, the title of the song is Darawang ko boss by Jerome Abalos. Hindi ko sure. Okay, next. Last one, another Tagalog music. Ready? Tagalog. Oh no! Pusong bato! Get surprised! Okay, go! Ano na yung makikip si madam? Yan, pangalawa niya na rin yan. Mamaya na tayo maningin. Okay, now let's play another game. But now, children, I want you to stand up. Okay? Julikod. Okay, yan. Okay, pati lang ako nito. Ate. Yan, actually po, makikita natin ang Tubata Harip at the back of 1,000 peso bill. Nung hindi pa po si Duterte presidente natin, ang 1,000 natin is Banawe Rice Terraces na ngayon nalipat na sa 20 peso bill. But this is the new 1,000 peso bill Yung old po, yung may tatlong tao. Patingin ako nito, kuya. This one is new 1,000 peso bill. New 1,000 peso bill. Thank you. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, 6. Dito ka lang kuya. 6. In less than 2 minutes, I got 6,000. I love this job. Tapos may show pa ako ng Sabado Linggo. Mami, sir, okay na tayo ha? Again, this one is the old 1,000 peso bill. Ito po yun nyo. But don't worry, it's in order. Thank you so much for joining. Diyan muna kayo. That's surprise. Thank you. Okay, now. Okay, children. Okay, ate. Now, ganito. Solid nyo muna yung 1,000 and then after that, yung mere prices. Come on, solid nyo muna yung 1,000 pesos. Baka mag-abono tayo. Come on. Okay. Good. Parang kay madam pala lahat yun, no? Okay, get surprises. Okay, come on, kuya. Come ba? Come on, get surprise. Okay, now, last one. And then after this, okay? Zumba every Friday, no? Okay. Actually po, hindi talaga itong part ng game ko. Kinausap lang ako ni nanay kanina, napalabas lang namin to. Kasi gusto niya po may surprise si Rhea. Eh, mami, dito ka lang! Yan. Bago niyo po makuha yung prize nyo, kailangan niyo muna patunayan sa lahat na you are dancing mommy, tita, o lola. Huwag ka mag-alala, tuturuan kita na. Tayo ka. Tuturuan ko kita. Just follow me, okay? So mga hindi ko nakakalam, aside from being a host and a magician, I'm also a very, very good dancer. Dati ko akong videographer eh. So, just follow me. Yan, baba mo muna yung bag mo na eh. Yan. Okay? Ready? Just follow me. Ready? Play the music. Take a hit. Good. Your head. Up. Down. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Keep up. One more. Keep up. To the left, to the right. Ready? Ready? Ready, guys. 1, 2, 3. Go. Ready? 1. Prices. Yan, siyempre. Yan, meron ka taas kay ate. Meron siyang one shot. Hey, thank you so much for joining. Ano, yan. Ibag nyo po. Thank you so much. Okay, good. Ang galing sumayaw. Okay, anyway, everybody is eating time. Okay, so for you kids, just stay in your chairs. Your food will be served, okay? And for the adults, I think the buffet area is located sa loob po ng bahay, okay? So for the kids again, please occupy the TV chairs so food will be served, okay? And again, later on, we're gonna help